We're excited to announce the addition of Playaways to our audiobook collection. These pocket-sized, all-in-one audiobooks are perfect for listening to in the car, on a walk, or while you're folding your laundry. Playaways are simple and easy to use. All you need is a set of headphones. I'm going to walk you through how easy it is to use them. First, you want to open up your case, and you'll see that everything you need is right here. You have your preloaded audiobook and a AAA battery. So what you'll do is you pop off the top, place in your battery, put the top back on, and then plug in your headphones. You can also connect the Playaway to speakers or your car with an auxiliary cable. Now you just want to power it on, and you're ready to start listening. Let's talk about some of the controls, and don't worry if you don't remember them. They are included here in the box. To play your audiobook, you just hit play. If you want to change the speed, you can click on the upper left-hand button here. There are 5 speed settings. You can pause the story, and to fast forward to the next chapter or go back, you use these upper arrows here. To fast forward within the chapter or to back up within the chapter, use the bottom arrows here. The volume controls are on the left side of the device. And to power off, you simply hold down the button until the screen shuts off. And the great thing about Playaways is they automatically save your spot where you left off. And that's it. You can find our collection of over 70 Playaways at the Public Library for Union County in Lewisburg, next to our television series DVD collection.